Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on the important articles from the Hindu, November 17th. Let's see the first article. Four killed in Srinagar gunfight. This is important. There are some things mentioned here like overground worker, what is the role of overground worker, etc. So this is a question that was asked in 2017, I think. Banning of Jamaat-e-Islami in Jammu and Kashmir brought into focus the role of overground workers in assisting terrorist organizations. Examine the role played by overground workers in assisting terrorist organizations in insurgency affected areas. Discuss measures to neutralize the influence of overground workers. So, after reading this article, try to answer that question. Then, NRC article. Here, try to find out what is NRC and the issues related to NRC. Important from both prelims and mains perspective. In this page, this article, Kabul, Kashmir and return of real politics is important from international relations paper to perspective. Go through this. This is talking about the India's dilemma whether to help Taliban or not. If we are helping Taliban, Pakistan is trying to destabilize in or create problems in Jammu and Kashmir. If we don't do any help to Pakistan, Taliban, this will also in the future affect the India's security issues in Jammu and Kashmir. So we are in a real catch-22 situation. That is what this author is trying to explain. Then the outreach to tribals, not important. You can skip this, but see how introduction and conclusion has is done here in this article. That's all from this article. Then you see the other left column. This left column for more than a waiver. It is about India's buying of S-400 anti-missile defense systems from Russia and the sanctions by the USA through this CARTSA Act, whether to levy sanctions or to give some waiver to India. This is a question that is being discussed in the US. So in that context, important, you can go through this. The UPSC question can be expected both in prelims and mains. Then the next column, amber on economy. This is about the rise of inflation and its effect. Not very important, but the last these 7-8 lines, you can go through this. Some suggestions are given. And that's all from this page. In this page, this article, longer term, better impact is important. This is about the recent ordinance passed by the central government to extend the tenures of ED and CBI chiefs, CBI directors. So go through this important. Author is a former CBI director. So important from paper to constitutional statutory bodies, etc. And then this article, back to square one, controversy over the water level in the Mullaperiyar Dam has erupted yet again. So important interstate water disputes, paper 2, etc. can be asked. If you are reading the news regarding Mullaperiyar Dam from some time, you need not go through this. Otherwise, go through this once. In this page, this news article, CAG Center, conflict, a thing of past, Prime Minister. CAG is a constitutional body, and a question can be expected in prelims and mains. In mains, also constitutional bodies, etc., is one of the topics. So there you can. It's important. See this statement. CAG not just kept track of nations' accounts, but also did value addition in productivity and efficiency. Comment. So write an answer for this question. 10 markers. So that's all from this page. In this page, you can go through this Afghanistan US diplomats meets NSA. This is about the continuation of Afghanistan issue, etc. This humanitarian crisis that is happening in the Afghanistan. So, and this Bengal passes resolution against BSF jurisdiction. Important. Go through this. What is happening, and this is about the challenges to federalism topic in paper two. Under that, you can write this point. And that's all from this page. In this page, this news article, Supreme Court gives 3 weeks to government to frame policy on community kitchen. So in paper two, we have a topic called poverty and hunger. Under that topic, you can use this information. So what is like poverty, hunger, etc. You can read and read the solutions for poverty and hunger from this article. That's all from this page. In this page, this news article, recovery taking hold, private investment should resume. Thus, important in from mains paper perspective, what is the things that we should do to promote economic recovery after pandemic. One of the points that you can write is to promote private investments. So investment is always important for growth, employment creation, etc. So in that context, important go through this ones. Goal urges MNCs to act as whistleblowers. Go through this ones. Not very important, but you can go through this ones. That's all from this page. In this page, this news article, digital currency plan made in China. So Central Bank of China is releasing a digital currency, and what are the benefits and what China is thinking to benefit from such a launch is discussed in this article. That's all from this page, and thank you for today.